Hi guys, good morning from here. So guys, I'm just rushing out. I said let me do this first. And last video guys, I tell you guys we have some order, and at the same time today the order is here. The order is all about my food stuff guys. So I have a call from one of my sister over here. She told me that she was in Delhi and if I needed anything that she have to bring for me. So yeah, that was about 2 weeks now or 1 week plus. So yeah, I decided to take order, and then today she's back. She called me last night that she's back, so I couldn't go yesterday because it's late. So I have to rush down to her place this morning for me to receive those items. Anyway guys, so come with us because we have a whole lot of African food stuff over there. At the same time, if I come back, I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Let's see what anyway, let's go. So yeah, look at my face. I did not even wear any no hair and no neck. This I'm rushing. I give us almost 1 hour plus now. I'm supposed to be there because I'm uploading and doing all that thing, so I have to rush now. Anyway guys, let's go. Hi guys, we are back guys. So over here we have it. So we just come back. So guys, I can't wait to see what you have over here. Then we still have this. I think we have to first of all check what is here. Over here we have a snake. I haven't eaten snake guys. How many years I left Nigeria? I haven't eaten snake. So I just have to beg my sister, please help me check whatever they are selling it over there. If you can help us to bring. So yeah, she just went to one of the shops and then she see this. So this one is dry snake guys, so I have to open it. Let's see. So yeah, it has been in the fridge. Oh my god, look at that. Hey. Look at that. It's dry snake. That is all this. Look at that. So yeah, I have to go and wash it, then take it back to the fridge. So I'm going to show you guys later. Look at what it looks like. We have 5 packets of it. So I think I will keep it here for now. So something is still here. This one is that opaca. I don't know what you do before. They have to like opaca, something like that. I don't know. I think. Yeah, let's see what we have here. Okay, this one is okay. Oh, this one is okay. So grigo. So yeah, let's see what we have over here. I still think this is okay too. I don't know. I think it's okay. Something like this. I guess it's still grigo. So yeah, let's keep this for now. And then what we have in here. This one is banga. This one is banga guys. I have very back of it. So yeah, banga. So this one is my daughter help it. So yeah. This one is help it for my daughter. You still have some of it. Let's clean this first. So yeah, that is for this. So let's unbox this. Hey, oh my god. I think this one is oha leaf. We have oha here, and then this one is oziza leaf guys. So this is oha and oziza leaf. So yeah, Jesus Christ. No, this is not the yam. But this guy is so stupid really. I don't know what to use on this. The yam this guy showed me on kg is different from this. He just go and give to me. That one he showed me that is almost the same thing with that former one, but this one he gave me this time is so small. Look at 2 yam. It's not even up to 1. small. I'm going to snap this and give to you. What is this? Really just, I don't like this yam to start with. I don't like it. So yeah, over there we have tomato paste. We have tomato paste over here. I've been looking for tomato paste ever since. Now we have it. So yeah, all this is tomato paste. Again, this sachet, I thought it's grounded sachet this guy have. It's not grounded sachet though, this is sachet, that means I have to ground it. Then this one will have a goosey. This one is a goosey, guys. So yeah. So we have a goosey over here. So let's keep checking. So look at my month, guys. We have 5 months now. Hey guys, this month. Ooh. Oh my God, though. Nigeria month. Happy to drink you again. I don't think I can drink this one, Joe. Anyway, okay, this one is still my daughter headbit. So yeah, this one is a headbit. White cotton. So we have the malt, guys. So it's up to 5 can. This time it did not burst. So my sister carefully bring all this for me. I'm so happy. Last time it burst. So now it comes like this. And then what we have here, I think this is all gone. Let's see. Yeah, this is a banana. I don't know. The banana looks small on my eye. I have to go and check the kg I bought. I don't know if it's 1 kg or 2 kg. I don't know. Could this be 2 kg? I have to check either 1 kg or 2 kg, but I will check the list later. I will know if this is up to the kg. Because this guy sometimes he cannot do work. Anyway, this is not cube, guys. We have 4 packets. So we have chicken and not cube. So yeah. Next we have crayfish. Okay. I think this is crayfish. Look at how I'm sweating. Yeah, it's not easy to go and bring this way. The load was so heavy. So yeah. This is crayfish. This thing just the pain. I don't like this yam. This one just the best thing. What is this? What is this guy give to me? Look at we have a hair extension for my daughter. So yeah. What is this for my hair extension? For making hair. So again, we have this red oil, guys. We have red oil, we have egg. So I don't know, and then we have red oil this time. So our full red oil is still there. That one we bought last time, haven't finished it, but it's going down at this point. Then this one is still full one. Yeah. So guys, this is what it looks like. One thing I don't like here is this. I don't like this yam. This is just so unfair. Because this guy showed me yam from kg. And I like the yam. So when he was packing the things, I asked him, when is the yam? He told me he's going to bring yam, that you don't have yam in the shop. I was like, if you don't have yam in your shop, so when you give me the one that you show me that this is the kg of yam I'm buying. He was like, the yam just finished now. I'm going to bring it from another shop or a second shop. That is how this guy now maneuver this thing in my bag. Can you guys understand me? See what this guy gives to me as yam. I just don't like this really. I don't just like this yam. The former yam I buy from them, only one of it is more than even these two. Very huge. But this time I collected money for 2 yam and this is not even up to 1 yam. I don't like this nonsense. Anyway, yeah, let's do 1 or 2. Look at the yam I'm talking about. This is so small, like so small. Look at this yam now. I buy it not less than 4,000 plus, 4,000 rupees plus. Look at what he gave to me. I don't just like this yam. So yeah, this was his tomato paste. Anyway guys, so yeah, let's do some arranging. So this one is a hair superstar. We have some colors over here. This one is superstar. So guys, this is everything. So this one is bitter cola. So over here we have this egg. This one how they call okoko. No, this one's not big snake, it's just so tiny snake, guys. Anyway, so we bought this about 5,000 plus Indian rupees. And then this is achi powder. I don't know the price of this, I can't remember. Then a goosey, we buy this one about 2 kg. And then ogbono, we get 1 kg over here. So this is ogbono. And then yeah, malt. So I don't know, what do you think is the price of this extension for now? So this one is superstar. So what do you think is the price? We bought it for 450 for one. So that is 5 of them, about 4,000 plus. Then we have this nut cube. We have a chicken cube, and then we have a nut cube. So that comes 4 packets. Look at one over there. So I don't remember this one, the price. Over here we have this ache. No, oziza leaf. Hey. Okay, oha leaf. I don't think talk about it. Over here we have oha leaf. So that is either half kg or 1 kg. I don't remember this one. I still don't remember the price. Then again, we have this one over here. 1 kg of crayfish. And this one is oziza leaf. Dry one, guys. So yeah, we don't see all this fresh like that. So it's only now started seeing fresh onubu. All this thing is come dry. Okay guys, so because we live in abroad. At the same time we have banga. So we have 5 of it, 3 of it, not 5. So yeah, we have 3 banga. So this come about 450 for one. Yeah, 450 for one. So this one is tomato paste. We have 5 packets of it. I think this is 200 for one. Then this yam, guys, this yam costs about almost 4,000 rupees. I don't know what this guy give to me. Oh, this is not yam. Last time I buy yam from this guy, I'm so happy. I was so excited seeing that yam, but this time he decided to give me this. So I don't really know why. It's not good. Then this one is over here. We have ogiris. Ogirigo is what we have over here. So yeah. So this is ogirigo. And over here we have red oil, guys. So this is the red oil. This side come. So yeah. So this is what we have for now for recipe, and always stay tuned for your baby girl. We got you. So always share, guys. So here we have all of it. So thank you guys for watching. In my next one, let me know if this worth it. I think if I can say everything cost about everything we have over here is equivalent of 400,000 naira. So yeah, so let me know if this worth it, or if you are buying it too cost over here. Let me know. Over here we have hair beads. So this one is for my daughter hair. So yeah, all this is hair beads. So it still come for the price. I think we spend about 400,000 for all this. So let me know. So for the red oil, guys, this is 1,500 Indian rupees. So yeah, 1,500. So let me know, guys, is it worth the price, or is cost, or is okay? If you are in Nigeria, can you buy all this for this amount? Let me know. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Always share. I love you. In my next one, bye.